Want to draw me? I'm too shy. Hello, creative companion. I'm Wild, and today we draw a kiwi. You need watercolor paper, a pencil, a rubber, washi tape, a palette, watercolors, mostly brown shades, water, some brushes, in detail a thin one and a bigger Bristol brush, which are soft. First we fix the paper with the washi tape on the table. We start with the beak. Imagine to write a U with very, very, very long arms. Now we draw the head. There we draw an oval. Then we go to the body. For the upper body we draw a half circle. For the bottom we draw a flat V. For giving the kiwi a fluffy appearance, we draw irregular waves around the head and at the bottom of the body. Then we draw the legs. I know, it looks a bit messy, but don't worry, it's just a sketch. As usual, we erase the sketch with rubber. We start with the beak and the feet. For that we use flesh rosa and mix it with a little bit green. Be careful, it's really only a little bit. Then we mix black and dark brown for the eye. After that we use the Van Dyke brown for the head. For that we use the thin brush. Because of the straight end of the brush we can draw the angles of the plumage very well. With water we lightening the brown and color the head. For the body we mix the Van Dyke brown with a second brown. I choose this rusty brown, in this case use the bigger brush. Now we take the dark brown and draw some curved lines on the darker parts of the body for giving the plumage its structure. Then we take a thin brush and make the same. As a next step we mix black and dark brown again and use it for the dark parts of the kiwi. Now we take the dark brown with a lot of water to make it lighter and using it for the lighter parts. Then we make the same with the rusty brown. After that we use dark ochre and do the same again. Now we mix dark green with brown and draw some shadows along the feet and the beak. Finally, we let the kiwi dry and I tell you some fun facts about them. They can fly and they are nocturnal. And you only find them in New Zealand. And they are a spiritual animal for the Maori people. So, now it's time for the background. Then we mix some dark green with orange. If you want, you can use another color for your background. Feel free. This is a finished kiwi. I I hope you enjoyed the video, stay creative, and I see you next time. Bye!